Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. What are we gonna get in the markets tonight? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So we look at the NASDAQ real quick. We talked about a D-shaped profile all of last night. Well, we kind of got a D-shaped profile today. We hit both the targets we talked about last night, right here, right around 750. Then down here, right around 600 to about 610. So now the question is, do we continue to retrace some of that move from the prior day? Keep in mind, we are coming up towards the second deviation band. So are we going to bounce? We might. Are they going to bounce it? Bounce, bounce, bounce. They could. I might want to move this window. I think I am. Still playing musical windows. Hey, Tris, what's up? Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, it's a great time to smash that lucky like button. All right. Where are we at? Oh, we're all good there. So we got a little bit of a pullback this afternoon, but we gotta be careful. See if we're gonna bounce off this second deviation band. Does anybody know? Do we have any news tonight? I don't know the answer. I have not checked. Let me get the juice pulled up real quick. And yeah, I just realized I forgot something else. All right, hold on a second. I don't know where this window is going to pop up. Give me one second. Yeah. All right, I'm back. Look, keep in mind, we still have that large spike up there on the VIX, but let's go check out Forex Factory for Wednesday evening. No, actually, Japan has a 30-year bond auction. That's about it. Pam, pam, pam. You think Asia's gonna pump? Hey, Adam, what's up? What's up? So we'll see. We shall see. I'm just trying to get my bearings real quick. So Nikkei's opened up. Nikkei's down 624 points. The Kospi is down 72 points. Look at the Kospi. Kospi's gapping down into this gap from last night, that big gap up. Nikkei's not even close to that gap yet. Hey, Shimo, what's up? Let's go. Let's go. So this is going to shake out tonight. Now, if I was to pull a fib, I never came down that zone either. I don't know that I want to pull it all the way down here from the low. Instead, I kind of want to pull the fib right here. Right from the swing low on August 3rd up to the high today. And look, the 38% retracement is down here at 29,403. That can still be considered a minor retracement. A very bullish move in the market. What's that was? 403. So we'll see if we make it there. Yeah, hopefully tonight's gonna be a good night. I don't want no rough nights. Yesterday was enough for me. Now, what about ES? I don't like this swing point as much, but I think we're gonna have to use it for the time being. For our fibs. 38% retracement on the ES is down here at 77.14. That's pretty low still. That's way on down there. I'm looking for liquidity on the ES. I do see, I gotta move this. I do see a little bit of liquidity down here at 77.50. Where's that put us? What are the gamma levels? Let me look at the ES real quick. So on the we got a lot of gamma all up in this area. The downside though, we had the 1 day minimum right down there on 77.06. Yeah, market dumped nicely into the close. We'll see if it wants to recover or not. Or if we can keep on going down. Down, down, down. We really got to get through that 77.50. Then I think we have a good shot coming down towards 77.06 and maybe 7,700. But let's go look at this real quick. 1 day minimum. If we break it to the downside, what's the average move? Hey King, what's up? What's up? So there's an 88% chance that level holds, but if we break it, the average move is 39.93 points. We'll just round down, say 39 points. So 39 points from that. From 06. So somewhere around 67-ish. So all the way down here. So we'll see if that 1 day min breaks. Look down here for towards 66. Wouldn't mind seeing that, to be honest with you. But then we'll see if they want to announce the deal and get things ripping up. Ah, dang it. I just realized I got a problem with all right. Yeah, we could. What do we got for news for tomorrow, though? What do we have for news tomorrow? Thursday. We have the weekly unemployment claims. And that's only a medium impact news item. So, check email when I get a chance. Let's see. Yeah, I like that chart too, Raj. That's what we've been talking about for a hot minute. So I'll show you guys a chart that Raj just sent me. He sent it back before, but now you can see we've had the retracement back up. So here's what Raj sent right there. So here's the push down, the retracement back up, and now can we do the ABC completion to the downside? We might. I'd love to see it. Love to see the market do that. Hey, Patriots, what's up? What's up? Hey, Eddie, good evening. So today I definitely limited the amount of trades that I placed. New York worked out fairly well. Last night I limited the amount of trades I placed also. Also worked out much better than it had been the day before. So NASDAQ's right back down to the opening price. Man, I was hoping we were gonna get a little bounce back to the EMAs. I might have missed that. Might have missed the trade. No, hey, BK, that level is, I think it's 77.06. Yeah, BK, 77.06. It's about 39 points lower below that. So 77.06. That's a pretty nice little move down. Dang it. It's all good though. How many likes do we need tonight? We're gonna do the same as the New York session, only because if we do the giveaway tonight, because I did do a random winner out of the email list today. So there's a random winner out of the email list, and I went to email my contact at Take Profit Trader. I think they said they won't be back in the office till Friday. So anybody that wins an account tonight, you probably won't get it till Friday. Just FYI. So we've been getting more views on the nightly streams. So we'll do the same goal as today, 300 likes, and we'll do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway. The list, the email list is the first link in the description box down below. But for the giveaway, you gotta be signed up to the list, and then I'll give out a key phrase. Nightbot will pick out 10-ish people. I'll go through the chat, look at some regulars I see in the chat, throw them all into the duck race, and whoever wins. Actually, what we'll do is we'll vote to see which duck number you guys think should be the winning duck. So it doesn't have to be the fastest duck. If the poll says duck number 11, whoever has duck 11 would be the winner of the giveaway. So if you got the chat votes for duck number 1, we'll do that. Chat votes for last place duck, we'll do that. So we'll see who gets it. But I mean, most importantly, we gotta get that like counter up. We're only at 48 right now. We just came on though, so it'll be all right. I'd love to see the market just pew, 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 all the way down. Get on down there. Please and thank you. Hey, make sure once you sign up though, you'll get a confirmation email. Make sure you click on that confirmation, otherwise you won't be on the list. And if you do win, you will forfeit. I don't want to see nobody forfeit. We haven't had a lot of forfeitures, but there has been a few. Downside gap fill, let's get it. Hey, keep in mind, Sunday's gap could still be in play. Now, normally we're going to fill that gap by Thursday's close at 5 p.m. So, you know what? That's tomorrow. I don't know that we're going to make it all the way down there tomorrow. If we look at some of these, where are we at? If we look at those gaps real quick, NQ, that'd be sick. All right, so here's Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Oh, it's only right here. So look, on the NASDAQ, we're talking from the current price, 1,200 points. From the current price, and NASDAQ right now is already down 40 points. Not to say you can't do it. On yesterday, we had that big up move. That was 1,100 and something points. I just don't think that's the likelihood. So to fill that gap, we'd have to come all the way down to 28,287. If we look at the ES, I mean, you could go up from here. I still favor a little bit more of a pullback, but we'll see. So on the ES, the gap fill is all the way down here at 75.03. It's 150 points away. Just don't think that we're going to make it there tomorrow. Hold on. Yeah, today is Wednesday. It's like, huh. Yeah, drops are violent, but We'd have to see crude oil probably rocketing up. No deal to be done. And right now, crude oil looks like it wants to break and go lower. But I mean, we don't know when those headlines will come out, if any. Look at GC tonight. And gold's already on the move up here a little bit. Gold's up 28 points already. So we'll see. Huh. All right, take a swing real quick on the NASDAQ. Let's see if I regret this. Got my target just below the low of the day, which I'll probably move it up. I don't think it's going to matter here in a minute. Yeah, page up 100K first. Be nice if he give you like a 5-minute head start. In 5 minutes, this tweet is going to go out. I'm just going to trail my stop right below the wicks, right above the wicks. Hopefully just go back down. Don't stop me out first. So every up wick I see, I'm just going to move my stop to. So I get stopped out. So we have a small little wick right there. Oh, got me. We have a small, tiny little wick right there. All right. So I got a little bit on that. No, I don't think financial juice gets it early. I don't think so. Now watch it go down there and take out the lows. So right now, the NASDAQ's the only one in the red. It's down 58 points. Dow's up 85. S&P is up 7.75. And the Russell's up 2.4. So we'll see. We'll see. Large chunk of it's near maturity. But you don't want Japan to start dumping U.S. bonds. That'd be bad. That'd be a bad day. Speaking of bonds, how did bonds finish up today? A little bit lower. Not much. Kind of a candle of indecision. Wick on the top, wick on the bottom. They're trying to rip it up now. We have VWAP right up here. Also, 606. Hey, Raphael, good evening. Let's get it. Let's get it. First trade of the night. Winner, winner. Hopefully I can have many more. But we'll see. Now, we do have an untested point of control on the NASDAQ. We have not hit yet. It's going to be all the way up here at 29,830. We look on the S&P. S&P already hit its point of control from today. So no untested point of control over there. Elliott Dipor. One thing I don't like about Elliott Wave You start in the wrong spot, you're done. It's very easy to get the wave count mixed up. Hey, B-Devil, what's up? What's up? Let's push it, push it, push it. So one trade so far. Kind of glad I got out. Got me out right here on that short. Yeah. Bored but patient. Yeah, ABC patterns. That was the first pattern I learned about. First harmonic pattern I learned. Harmonic-ish. Fibonacci. We're going to use Fibonacci to draw it out. I learned about double bottoms and double tops, triple bottoms, triple tops before that, but pinnets and flags. Hey, Blank, what's up? What's up? That's going good. Today, much better than yesterday. So, worked out well going a little bit slower today. Just passed 2 lucid daily accounts. Nice. Good job on that, Eddie. Let's see. Let's go back and check the overseas real quick. What is Mr. Nikkei doing? Oh. Nikkei has continued to go lower. The Kospi has also continued to go lower. So I won't be surprised if these drag down our markets as well. So I'm looking for another shot to short. Our regression channel is sloping down at the moment. See if I can get a shot to short this. Maybe, maybe not. Rubber band in mind. Well, to the upside for the short with the rubber band-ish, 670-ish, the 703. All right, working on bar number 6 right now as well. There we go. There we goes. NASDAQ going down 9.5. Get it. I was looking at that. I was almost going to take a swing. But I looked down here at the Delta. I'm like, Delta's a little bit high for me. So I held off. Held off. See about going long. If you look right over here to the left chart, came right up to the VWAP. Straight leg, right up, well above the 0 line for a quick little 5-point scalp I was going to look for. Huh. 2 blasts while passing the Straits of Hormuz. Yeah, oil's not going up, though. Oil's still down 52 cents. Oh, man. Look, we went back up there again. I was too busy reading the comments. I missed it. We went back up here and then look at the Delta. No Delta on that push. That would have been the good little scalp trade to go back south. Let's see. Can we get it? Going back to 700s. Oh, we might. I mean, that's not very far-fetched. Hope we can get a little rejection at this VWAP. Just a little blip down here real quick. Just a wee little bit. I'm going to reduce my risk. Dang it. Dang it. I should have left my target where it was. Should have left my target where it was. But I put my stop right above that wick. Got me. Got me and then went down. You son of a biscuit eater. That's all right. 2 trades, 2 wins so far tonight. I'll take it. Wow, they slipped me pretty bad on that exit too. Now we're just gonna keep going. Golly. Man, right back to opening price. Yep, I was in the trade too. Dang it, dang it, dang it. All right, broke opening price. Short term, the market is starting to get oversold. You can see the green background. We did have a little bit of a delta divergence, but regression channel still sloping down. I got a feeling they're going to try to flip this regression channel going back up. I'm glad it helped. Glad it helped this time. Hey, Atomic, what's up? What's up? No, hey, it wouldn't have got me on that trade. It wouldn't have got me because look, I got out way up here. That little spike right there got me out. I was short up here. It came right there and stopped me out right there. Right there. So I could have still been in it. I mean, I had my target right below that, so I was gonna move my target down and just keep trying to trail the wicks. So technically, I would have liked it if I would have been stopped out here a little bit better versus where I got stopped out. That would have been another 22 points. That would be nice. That would have been a nice. But it is what it is. Crew and ship reported safe, no environmental harm detected. So we got a deal, but they're gonna still be allowed to launch projectiles when they choose to. Yeah, that's smart. Oh well. All right, we're back down at the lower regression channel. I just don't like that we're sloping down. I do think it's trying to firm up. But I also have downside targets down below us. Yeah, friendly firing. Yeah, I'm with you on that too, Raj. I use the open of 6 p.m. Yeah, I like that liquidity at 77.50. I kind of think the ES is trying to make it down here towards that. NASDAQ, the books are really, really thin tonight. Not a whole lot of liquidity on the books on the NASDAQ. So. Northern Cali got hit with an earthquake. And they got hit with one just the other day. You use both opens. We're almost down here about to make new lows on the night with the NASDAQ. I don't know if I want to swing at that. I do, but I don't. Probably should have. Use to hold back human activity. Man, I really want to short down toward that second deviation band, but I feel like if I take the trade, I'm going to get smacked. I feel like I'm going to get smacked. Well, let's have to let the market wiggle around, do whatever it wants to do its little dance, and it goes down there and go down there without me. That's fine. Yeah, I said I'm definitely back. I definitely did leave. I said I did not trade any more today after the live stream either. I said I'm good. My day wasn't too stressful today, so that was a win. Yeah, hey Mike. So in NinjaTrader, there's the indicator. So Roger's referring to this golden line right here, right there. So there's an indicator in Ninja called current day OL open high low OHL, and it automatically plotted on your chart. Chipotle is pretty good. Wasn't bad. Well, and my wife, she got a bowl, and there's cilantro in it. She's like, I think that was on the list. I was like, yeah, we'll find out in a couple of days. We'll find out. We do have a 9 count down here near the lower regression channel, near the deviation bands. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I think we're going to take out that low. I thought we were going to go down there and take out session lows. Let's see if we actually get it. And we're still going lower. What is the Nikkei doing? And Nikkei's trying to get a little bounce. Kospi still going lower. Look at it. Look, Kospi's pretty close to filling the gap. Interesting. But Nikkei is trying to get a little bounce, a little one. And we still got oil down 29 cents on the night. See if we're going to bounce out of here. I want to see. So look, if we turn the regression channel right here, it's facing down, starts going flat or pointing up, I'm going to look to go long. Hey, Alley Cat, what's up? What's up? Hey, John, it could. If Japan starts selling US bonds, that'll be bad. It means yields will go up. The markets will not like it. They'll kick and scream and everything else. They will not have a good day. So. All right, right back to opening price again. We make sure they don't sell our bonds. No, you're not allowed to sell them. I mean, that's why we're trying to work out to try to help them with their yen, so they're not forced to sell our bonds. So, man, right back down too. Hey, look right up here at this double top, top one, top two, and look at the delta. Easy peasy, but I didn't take it. It's always easy after the fact. Spot it. I hope we take out the lows from tonight. We're not that far away. 546.75. It's not too much lower. Too many thumbs. Hey, Mike, I don't know if he did or not. I mean, everybody got a tariff. You got a tariff. You got a tariff. You got a tariff. Oh, you got a double tariff. We're going to triple, quadruple tariff you. So I don't know. I can't keep up with all the tariffs. All I can do is trade the chart in front of me. Good bounce from here, but I still think we're going to sweep that low real quick. I think we're going to sweep that at 546 and start really working our way down to 403. 403 would be a minor retracement and what could still be a very bullish move up in the market. If we only come down to 403, that could set up a large ABC pattern on the way up. Be something like that. Here's the A to B leg, B to C. So if we go to 403 and we turn, we then have a price target up here at about 31,150. We're not there yet, but let's look at many steps ahead. I don't know. It depends on if we get 300 likes in here or not. You might say, well, Mike, there's only 150 people in here. Yeah, we've already had 500 people in this stream. So. And if we have to get the likes in by 11, after 11, no bueno. Yeah, it's trying to push back up. So is the NASDAQ. I really think they're going to try to get this regression channel sloping back up. I was hoping we'd sweep the low first, but I mean, if you want to use all the order flow tools like heat map and things like that, you'll need level 2. If you're just looking at footprint charts, you can do it with level 1. You only need level 2 if you're looking at the heat map. If they have some type of heat map, NinjaTrader does. Or you're trying to read the DOM. I mean, if you're looking at the DOM, level 2 data would be useful as well, but for most people, no, you don't need it. Too much info for a simple mind. Yep, that's right. Ally in Pakistan, which hiding Bin Laden. Fed Daily says tariffs had obvious effects on inflation. Yeah, everybody knew that. Hey, iTrades, what's up? What's up? So far, 2 trades, 2 wins. No, hey, Raj, for Ninja Trader prop, you only have to have level 1. Only if you want the heat map that Ninja Trader has, which is nowhere near as good as Bookmaps. But footprint, VWAP, all that, trade detector bubbles, that's all level 1 data. Well, all the order flow tools, other than the DOM, if you're looking at the DOM or the heat map, you'll need level 2. All the other ones are showing you what just happened. Like the trade detector bubble shows you orders that just fired off. Footprint charts shows you all the orders that executed at each price point. VWAP, that's part of their order flow kit. You only need level 1 data for that as well. So, what do you mean by packaged data? What do you mean by that? Well, hey, Ninja Trader doesn't truly give you raw data though. It's still filtered. Bookmap gives you raw data. Ninja Trader's level 2 does not. Unfortunately. If you want the raw data, you have to subscribe to Rhythmic's MBO data. Level 11. You're going long because I don't know, I still want to see a sweep the low. 300 likes for the giveaway. We usually have more likes in here. Plus, tonight's giveaway will be a little bit more challenging. So, let's see if we're gonna go down there and take out the lows. We have not done it yet. 546. We haven't done it since we've been on stream. Actually, I'd lie. Took it out right at the beginning. Right when we came on stream, we took out the lows. Chicago and NYMEX. Nice. Hey, Raj, which one do you like working at better, NYMEX or Chicago? Which one? See me? That's pretty cool. Can't be those traders. Man, I really want to take a trade, but hey, Mr. Trader Paradise, what do you mean? What did FFN do to you? I haven't traded single stock futures yet. I haven't even pulled up a quote for one yet. I was gonna wait and wait till I get some volume in it. Waiting for a payout 2 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks. Oh my goodness. That's nuts. They gotta get their stuff together. That is crazy. Yeah, they should follow the stock price. All right, here's a low of the day. I want to see if we flush that and then go down towards 403. If not, I'm going to be looking for signs to go long. I want to see this regression channel right here either flatten out or start to point up a little bit. Right now, it's still sloping down. Let's see if we're going to take it. Are they going to take that low? Hey, dollars, what's up? What's up? Man, with all the competition out there, it's going to be hard for them to stay in business if it takes 2 to 3 weeks. You can't trade waiting for a payout approval. I mean, there's too many other prop firms that do it way better. They said FFN. Yeah, I'm trying to stay green, dollars. I missed my initial trade right at the open tonight. I was a few, I missed it. I was on the phone with Jesse. And the market opened. I was like, son of a beep. I missed it. I wasn't prepared. So. Hey, Mr. Traders See Paradise. I try to YOLO it. Try to run up the balance. Hey, because if you don't care, and you're like, I'm leaving anyways, you might be able to really get that account juiced up pretty good. Because you won't be trying that hard. Yeah, stupid market. Always stupid market. Always, always, always. No, I haven't tried deep charts yet. I haven't tried it. Hey, Paul, what is it? Hey, Eric, FFN. So it takes 2 to 3 weeks to get approval. Not to get your money, just to get it approved. You can't trade while you're waiting for approval. Getting a tonic? Oh, that's funny. Nah, Eric, it's not My Funded Futures. No, they're fast. My Funded Futures is stupid fast. The time you request until the money's sent over to Rise, it's seconds. Seconds, not minutes. But then you have to log into Rise and transfer it to your bank. You can get the whole thing done in about 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. I think my last one was like 6 minutes, 7 minutes, something like that. You have to log into Rise and, quick max. Go ahead and transfer it to your bank. Put in your secret key. Then you're good. Yeah, Rapid EOD. I bought 3 of them during the live stream this morning. I blew up my MFF accounts yesterday. And my Take Profit Trader accounts went bye-bye yesterday. So, my Tradeify and Lucid And Apex. The only reason Apex was still around is because of the daily loss limit. Otherwise, they would have been torched yesterday. Red flag them. Come on, just push down. Push it lower. Sweep that low really quick. And then if you want to go up, that's fine. We can say... Yeah, every TPT back, but no accounts. What do you mean, but no accounts? What happened to your TPT accounts? You blow them up? I blew mine up today. Or no, yesterday. I got new ones. I got new ones at 4,200-ish today. All right, there goes the low again. New session lows on the NASDAQ. Let's go make sure it's transferring over to Nikkei and such. Yeah, Nikkei is trying to come back down. Kospi down 255. Kospi did fill the gap from yesterday. Yeah, gold's up 47. Gold was up big last night too. Crude oil is not really moving a whole lot right now. Just kind of chopping around here. Oh, you got banned for 2 weeks or 2 weeks ago? Oh man, how'd you get banned for what? What'd you do? Let's see. Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, just boop that lucky like button. Smash it. 300 likes. And we're going to do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway. Hey, Cheryl, what's up? Good evening. And welcome. Are we going to break the low? Maybe. So again, that's how I'll go long if they flip the regression channel up. Sideways to up, and right now it's still sloping down. 2 trades I've taken so far, both shorts, both won. Black Monday incoming. Hey, Paul, but did he tell us which Monday? Oh, 2 different. Yeah, that's a problem. 2 different names on the same PC. Do you have Live Pro? I don't know what you mean by that, Joe. Live Pro. I'm not sure what you're asking. All right, here we go. We're going to break the low again. We got to break the low. Break it, break it, break it. It depends on where you get in. You could still lose. And I talked to some people yesterday that on this move up, they were long, or they were trying to get long, and they lost money. I'm like, how did you do that? No, the accounts I blew up were pro accounts. No, I blew up my pro accounts. All right. So, ES. Trying to get a 9 count. Working on bar 8 right now. MES did get a 9 count. Yeah, all 5 just ain't right. I blew up them and I blew up my MFF account. So I lost 8 accounts yesterday. So I hurt the TradeFi accounts got hurt pretty bad. And I was just about to request a payout. All I had to do was make another $50, $100. I was like, oh, that'd be easy. And I would have had over a 15K payout, but yeah, I messed that up yesterday. T-Coop, I didn't. I saved it though. So I have it saved probably after the stream's over tonight. We went out to dinner tonight, and man, it took forever. They're having a hot mess in the kitchen. I think a bunch of people called in or something. It was longest time waiting for food ever. Let's see if we're gonna break the lows again. Yeah, I'm trying to wait. I do have lower targets, but I don't feel good about shorting at the low of the day, at near the lower portion of the regression channel. So yeah, you can copy both sim and live accounts at the same time. So I've used my live account as a leader and as a follower. What I will say, what you should do is create a sim account as your leader account and then copy into any funded accounts or any other accounts. And make sure you have the orders on executions. Not on orders. Have it set up the executions. Tempted to trade gold. Yeah, I was kicking myself. Yeah, after seeing the move in gold last night, I'm like, why didn't I just trade gold instead of mess around with the choppy indices last night? But I didn't do it, so. Now you guys got me curious. Let's go look at gold. I could be tempted to maybe trade the micro gold. I don't want to trade the big gold tonight. I might try to trade micro gold. We'll see if it wants to run my butt over. We came right up near the bands up here. There we go. Let's see if I can show the settings on that. So you see, we came right there to the second band. Trying to pull back. I think I'm going to do it. Look at one more chart real quick. You going to bed long? Blown account or a millionaire? Or $1 million? Be careful. Hey, so on going the 30-minute, we have a little bit of divergence setting up on the 30-minute chart. 4 hour though, that MACD is still pretty bullish. Yeah, we rejected right off, not just the 30,000 mark, but if we look, we just made a new low too. New low on the NASDAQ. Let me get this here. But what's significant about that? We're talking about that this morning on the stream. But if you look at all that gamma we had right up here at 30,000. That's kind of what I expected. Go up there and try to get smacked down. And that's what they've done. That's a lot of gamma exposure. If we would have held above it, they would have had to buy it. That'd be a huge potential move up, but they ended up selling it back down. All right, ES broke low of the day. NASDAQ still going down. Let's get it. Ooh wee. Get it. Get it. I tried to short at 30,070 and never got filled. That would have been a banger trade. Look, we talked about 403 over here on the NASDAQ, 38% retracement, right around 403. That's probably where we're heading. And then we'll see if we get down there. Do we start to firm up here a bit? If we do, and we start really rallying up, I could set up a massive A to B equals C to D pattern on the way up. You still see we have the point of control left behind from today. Yeah, down. Let's keep in mind though, we are in the deviation bands. So be careful. Oh, we're down 100 points. Let me Nikkei is down 1,100 points now. Kospi's at near low of the day. I should have hit that. I was thinking about smacking this with the M and Q. I didn't do it though. Thought about it. A stranger out. Come on. Come on. You can do it. All right, gold's starting to pull back here. So I ended up shorting gold with the micros. Might try to take it down towards 43.40 ish. 43.40 on gold. See if we can make it down there. As I try and come down here and make new lows. I'd love to see us just plow down lower. Give me a shot to get in lower. If we're already down 100 points. Let's see if we can get down like 200 points tonight. We're in the deviation band, so be careful. Gold's gonna get abused with nanos. Let's see. Yeah, hey, oil's only down 11 cents now. Let's go check on oil. Oil's trying to go up. It had a little spike right there. See any news out? I don't see any. No, I don't see any news. Let's get it. New lows. New lows, and that micro gold is printing. Trying to get down to my target. Trying to get down there. So I'm trying to get down to about 41-ish. I don't see any news. News is the market is a bloated pig. The only news we have. Oh boy. Come on down. 41 in the house. Need about 6 more points. Got 340 in gold. Hey, BK, did you take micros or minis? And how many? We have VWAP down even lower. If you look at the VWAP. Why is VWAP not populating here? Four micros? Oh, man. I don't know why my VWAP won't pop. See if it pops up for anything. Yeah, VWAP indicator broken. Oh, you know what happened? I unchecked it. All right. Let's see if we can make our way down to VWAP. Tweets getting prepped. $780. Nice. Good job on that one, Beyond. Trying to go back up right now. Might get a chance to DCA into this. We're going to lift off the low here on the NASDAQ. Problem I had, the regression channel got steeper to the downside. I do like that we're in the deviation bands. But I don't know. Almost wonder if I should start at micro. Or wait and see if we get down to 403. I don't know yet. It's kind of tough. It's a tough one. Don't forget, guys and gals, go ahead and boop that like button. Little extra boop boop. Make sure it's an odd number amount of times. I wonder if I should have got in down there. They're just tempting me. They're just tempting me. I need to wait until we go a little bit lower. Yeah, a little bit quieter at night. But, you know, it does drive you crazy. You're like, move. Move, market, move. When it doesn't move, it's like, ah. You know, you get used to New York, you put the trade on and you know the outcome really quick. Asia is like, we don't know what we want to do. Big's gonna bounce hard. Not trading, just watching. See, I really want to start a micro position in the NASDAQ, but a little bit nervous. I kind of want to wait till 403, but I'm like, I'm having a hard time. I feel like if I start my position now, I'm just FOMOing into it. So, hey, oil's up for the night. Oil's up 11 cents, 12 cents, 13 cents, 15 cents. Let's go look at that. What's going on there? Crude oil's at session highs. Hmm. Stupid NASDAQ trying to go up too. Trying to go up without me. Oh, no, you guys make me a better trader. The trading on stream, I do way better then when left to myself, I can do some stupid things sometimes. Oh, yeah, gold's coming on down though. Let's see, is gold going to hit my target? I'm saying 41. Trying to get out at 41. We're almost there. We're at 46. NASDAQ's going back down. Good thing I didn't bite. Good thing I didn't bite. NASDAQ's trying to get back down there. And we got the VWAP on gold down there a little bit lower too. Trading gold's going to be pretty solid. Or at least it looks like it. The gold's almost at my target. I said 41. We had the VWAP at what, 36? I'm going to take one off. I've seen we hit 41. Let's see if we can go a little bit lower. Sure, I'll just take it. I'll just take it off. I'm out. Making for a good night so far. I'm not going crazy placing 10,000 trades. Calming down a little bit. NASDAQ's about to break the lows. I've been wanting to fade it off this band. I've been pretty patient. So I still think 403 before I really try to get involved in the NASDAQ. I'm hoping. Hey, if you hold on to the short beyond, it would have bounced back up. If you stay in it, it'll bounce back up. If you get out, it'll keep going in your direction. So always happens. Maybe not always, but quite often. Huh. Yep, take profit. You're gonna feel a lot better about taking a smaller profit than a loss. Or at least I do. Pretty nice little lift back up on the NASDAQ. See, now I'm like, oh, I should have got in. I really want to try to wait till 403. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I would like to think I can wait. Yeah, you make plenty of money on micros. Oh yeah, BK, it works out fairly well. Now, when we ride the bands, like yesterday, not so much. But yeah, with a bubble, yeah, it's even better, BK. You get bubbles up there or in those areas. I've noticed, BK, you've been calling out the trades pretty good. So I can tell you can identify them pretty easily now. That's good. All right, new lows on the NASDAQ. See, now I don't feel so bad. I'm like, I was wish I would have got in, then bink. Trying to stick to game plan number one. Wait and see. Can we get down to the 38% retracement? Then maybe I'll start a micro position there. So I'm just going to wait. Can we get down to 403? Now, maybe I'll take some scalps with the NQ, the mini. But in terms of a bigger micro trade, I don't want to be involved. Not yet. So new lows, new lows. Looks like we have about 14 minutes until HSI opens up. I'm doing the 1 minute and a Renko. So right hand chart is a Renko. Left hand chart is a 1 minute. Then I'm also taking into consideration, what is the 30-minute chart doing? Along with what is the 4-hour chart with the weekly volume profiles. So look, if you look at this chart, depending on where you want to pull your pullback from or your fib, here's one area. There, the 38% retracements, 300 and 315. You go all the way down to the low, 38% retracements down here at 28,975. So, I don't know. I think we're in for a little retracement time. But we'll see. $5 minutes for 2 minutes. So one of the best. So when I first started seeing a little success way back in the day, it was a 1 minute chart, and I was playing basically high volume spikes off the 1 minute. I was probably back in 06. 06. I think I found that. Late 05, 06. I figured that out. I was like, because on the chart with Scott's trade, I could only put on volume and price, no other indicator. So I didn't have any other options. Yes, has a bubble. Is that the second deviation band? Oh boy, you're trying to tempt me here. Oh, hey, BK. I don't have my bubble set for at night. Slacker. Yep, I defaulted to New York. Hey, BK. Oh, I see one up here. I don't see one down here, though. So gold came right down, missed the view out by a little bit, bounced, trying to come back down towards it. Ooh, oil's up 46 cents. Somebody's sniffing out that we're not getting that deal. It's going to happen any hour. I think it's kind of funny. Yesterday morning, oh, deal could be any hour or maybe tomorrow. Okay. Didn't happen that day. Didn't happen tomorrow. And yeah. Are we going to be going through with strikes once again? Deal, no deal. Deal, no deal. So. Yeah, trading the rejections. Yeah, I've been waiting months. So. BK's down 1100. Kospi's down 286. HSI is going to be open here shortly. Looks like about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Yeah. Hey, we're going to talk about having a deal, about talking about meeting about a deal. And then we'll have a deal about that. We'll have a meeting about that deal. I think it's funny that we're saying, yeah, we got a deal going. We got a deal going. Iran says, we're not talking to nobody. We're only talking to Oman. We're not talking to the U.S. Trump's like, nope, we almost got a deal. The counterparty doesn't even know that we're even talking, but we're that close to a deal. Yeah, 9 count. We got 9 count on the NQ also, BK. I'm trying to slow down my trades. I don't want to do like I did the other night. The other night, then it rolled into Tuesday. Or was it Monday? Yeah, it was Tuesday. So gold's trying to come on down. Trump is addicted to deals. That's one way you get him to back off. We're gonna hit you harder than you ever been harder than you ever been hit. Sir, we got a deal. A deal? Oh, all right, we're calling off. Everything's off. Everything's off. We might have a deal on the table, and it's gonna be the most beautiful deal you've ever seen. Oh man. Hey, but I mean, in all reality, we need volatility in the markets to have a chance to make money. More volatility, more opportunities. Now, do we take advantage of the opportunity, or does the opportunity run us over? We don't know. Yeah, draft for a framework. We have a draft for a framework of a meeting that we might have in the future. Yes, did the mark 9 count, Mike? Yeah. So I found the indicator for free in the ecosystem, but all the numbers were the same size as the gray ones. I just went into the code and tweaked it, make the numbers a little bit stand out a little bit better. And look, see, I could be like, oh, it's not fair. Gold's still going down. I should have stayed in it. I'm still happy with the trade. I'm not even upset with it. I'm happy. We bounced off the deviation bands and is what it is. Now, what sucks is you're in a trade and he comes out with one of those tweets and it's like, son of a beep. You know, if he could just give us a warning, hey, tweet incoming in 10 minutes. Well, 10 minutes. All right. Watch your count. Watch your clock. All right. No, hey, Raj, I did micro on that. I did 2 micros, actually. I think it was like right around $300. So here's the actual trades. So I got in at 53, then got in at 60, got out at 42. Not bad. Not too shabby. Yeah, 100K a month for a heads up for the tweet. Hey, how many people are signed up? I wonder how much of a front run you get on that. Hey, so keep an eye, all right? One of the areas I'm watching, 403. I may start a micro position for an overnight trade here at 403. If I do, my next ad's going to be down here at 196. And then I'll have another ad down here at 29,000. And we'll see. I'm gonna space them apart. I do not want them close together. And then we'll see if we can get a little rip back up. One of the things I might do too is start one at 403, one at 196, and then 2 down here at 989-ish is what I'm thinking. Yeah, use it for the stream. Hey, Raj, I've been thinking about that too. All the evals I get though, I like to give them out to you guys. Hey, Raj, do you think it'd be better to do EOD account or an account with intraday? I almost think I'd rather just buy one though, Raj, just so I don't want to take away from the chat. I think I'd rather just buy one. If we do, you think it'd be EOD or you think intraday? Do both? Well, intraday ones are really cheap right now. They got a nice little bounce up there. The NASDAQ's like, oh, you think I'm going to 403? Watch this. Watch this. Yeah, Apex cheap right now. And maybe I'll pick one up. Maybe I'll try to pick one up before tomorrow. Depends how tonight's trading goes. I'm trying to get some accounts from Apex to give away. All right, there we go. New lows on the night. Let's get it. Man, I'm going to have to swing at this. Where's oil? Oil's up 65. I got to be careful. You got a little bit of divergence there. Let's see. Can I get a little scalp? Oh, now we get to be oversold. You know, I just realized you guys can hear the sound. I can't. Gosh darn it. I don't know where the meter thing is. Oh, there it is. Were you guys hearing a knocking noise? I wasn't hearing nothing. No noise? Maybe there's no... Oh. Nope, I had you guys turned off too. So I have my speaker on. I had it turned off. You guys. So we're going to get a little bounce here. I think it's going to stop me out probably. Maybe not though. Let's see. Can we get green? Listen to your own. Come on, just get it. Please and thank you. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit. Little bit. Little bit. There we go. There we go. Nice little scalp off that. 5 points. Little counter trend action there. Again, we're down here at these bands. Look how steep the regression channel is getting. Pretty darn steep. Yeah, 25K account is easier to pass. Hey, Raj, what size do you think we should get? What size do you think I should get? See if I can torch it on stream. Hey, trading game, what's up? 100K? I don't think I've ever traded 100K. I don't think I've ever done 100. Let's look, see how much drawdown they got. Yeah, let's vote on it. Let's do a poll. Let's see. Let's see what you guys think. Which account size should I get to trade live on stream? Let's see. We'll see which account you guys have. I was going to put in some of the bigger account sizes. Dang it. I'll show you. Just had some news. See, look, I'd be like, oh, man, look. If I would have held that, look how much more I could have made. I'm fine with it, though. It's cool. Yes, 77.53. I want to see lower prices still. I still want to see lower prices. It really depends on the firm. So today I just picked up 50Ks rapid EOD from My Fund of Futures. Picked up 3 of those on the stream this morning. So we're gonna rip up, you son of a biscuit eater. I don't know. Hey, David, I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know that I really want to trade the nanos. I guess we'll have to see. It would definitely be good for a DCA contract if they allow you to trade enough and if there's volume there. That's going to be the thing. Will there be enough volume? I don't know. The micros have quite a bit of volume. I don't know if the nanos will, though. What do we read? It'd be 50 cents a tick. I don't know, maybe 50 cents a tick on the ES or S&P. I guess that wouldn't be too bad. Yeah, that's what I was wondering, Raj. I just wondered if there's gonna be enough volume there. I got a nice little lift off that low. Nice little lift. Let's go look on the $49. Yeah, we almost made the value area low from yesterday. Did not get it though. And let's not forget, we still have that untested point of control above us. Oil right now is up 59 points. Dollars, whatever we want to call it. Look at GC. Gold made down to VWAP, kind of going sideways, see if it goes back up. Yeah, NASDAQ's ripping up pretty good. ES going back up. Yeah, I was in at the low too. Son of a biscuit eater. I was close to low. I was in right here. Right there. I got 5 points out of it. And it just keeps going. I'm fine with that. It's cool. It's all right. For the bigger accounts. I mean, the bigger accounts are nice because you get more drawdown, but you do have to make more money before you start to see pay dirt. So that's the trade-off. That's one way to look at it. Past 25K eval, get a payout, use it to upgrade to 50K. Yeah, Raj, I'm a big proponent of that. Use their money to expand your business. So when I get payouts from prop firms, I put half of it aside to reinvest in more accounts. So that really sucks when I boof that friggin' Tradeify account. I still have the account, but I did some damage to it. So oil's up 60. Yeah, you have to pay taxes too. And you don't get the 60-40 split with a prop firm like you do in your own personal account. Cover hat 29 points. Nice. Hey, good deal on that. We're hoping we keep coming down again. I want to start building my micro position at 403. So we'll see. The most I've traded at the same time is like 50 something. Is the most I've traded. And when I blew them up, I blew them all up same day. Same day. One day blew up all of them. That was great. Yeah, up and away. Hey, so we're trying to set a little ABC pattern. Look on the 1 minute chart. A to B leg, B to C. So price target's 525 if we can break above that swing point there. So if we break above 508, I might swing for that. I might actually take a trade towards that. Yeah, it's depressing. Blowing up all those accounts. Man, that sucks so bad. So bad. And the funny part is an accident. I didn't even know about it. So I was messing around. I was on the phone with some friends. We're joking. I think it was around elections, or there's some big news event. I can't remember. It was something at night. And like, oh yeah, watch. I'll make this big of a move. And I was joking. I was in sim. Didn't realize I had the copier on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I had just changed my workspace that day and saved the copier. And when I saved it, the copier automatically was turned on. Where before that, I always had to turn the copier on every day. Yeah, that was fun. I learned I was blowing accounts up when I started seeing the emails come through. I didn't even know I was in the accounts. Hey, visual. Somebody said it takes 2 to 3 weeks to get your payout approved from them. Yeah, I use a 5 minute too. I have a 5 minute chart right here. I don't use a 2 minute chart though. I don't use a 3 minute chart. Nothing wrong with it. Just personal preference. Come on. I should have got in down here. I might have missed my chance to get that 525 print. Or is that just the FOMO talking? And it goes up 49. Stupid market. They calls me a FOMO in that thing. So 525 is the ABC target up here. I'm going to try to front run that. Hopefully we can get a straight line push. Again, I'm front running that pattern. The pattern is not validated unless we break above 496. Yeah, don't forget to smash that like button. 300 likes, and we're going to do the Think Profit Trader Account giveaway. We got an hour and 20 minutes left to get the likes in. So we've already had over 1,300 people through the stream. The last payout was approved the same day. Oh, somebody in the chat earlier said they've been waiting 2 or 3 weeks. I was like, man, that's crazy. 2 or 3 weeks. I've never had an account with them, so I don't know. Never had an account with them. Sports equipment deep. Come on. Keep on pushing. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of prop firms to choose from. Lots and lots and lots. That's why if you don't like the rules at a prop firm, there's other choices. Competition has definitely made it better for us, the user, for sure. If we don't break the swing right here, it's gonna make me a little bit nervous. Closing it. Closing it. It made a whopping 2 ticks, I think. Maybe 1 tick, 2 tick. I got scared out of it. I said if we don't come up and break that high, I'm going to be nervous. We have not validated the ABC pattern yet. We never took out that swing point right there. Right there in the 1 minute. I think we're going to, but just to err on the side of caution, do we pull back first and then go? Maybe. Yeah, it's going to rip up now. Fantastic. Let's get that 30 minutes looking like. Not a whole lot going on there. Wonder if we's get a break. I don't know. I just don't know. Designed for us to fail. That is true. You have to have some good risk management. What sucks, though, the bad part about a prop firm is you have a target to pass. You have a target to get a payout. And I'm telling you, like in the past, when I've set targets, I have to make this much. I don't do so good. Told that story about the first day after I quit my job. Yeah, this is Ninja Trader right here. Also, I have trading view charts right here, but I place all my trades on Ninja. Can they push it on down? Down, down, down. Hey, so look, the ABC pattern, look, if we go below this line, invalidates the ABC pattern. We never validated. We never broke above the B point. A little bit lower, we go ahead and remove the drawing objects off the charts. We got everybody thinking, oh, we're going to bounce. Rug pull right back down. Interesting. Just want to see it go down a little bit so I can remove this drawing object off my chart. Yeah, I feel pretty good that I was able to identify. We weren't able to break above that swing point. I got scared and got out. Basically a break-even trade. I would have got stopped out for a full loss. So I'm pretty happy about that. Pretty happy. Yeah, the math, not the stats. Jesse's in the chat. I don't think he's in the stream. He's in the chat right now. I might rip back up there. Dang it. I kind of feel like I should have tried to get in right here. Look, here's a low, higher low, higher low. Try to play that, but I didn't do it. Pull back to the EMAs real quick. I might take another swing at this. See, can we get down here? Dog it. Got down there really quick, and then I was like, ew. Pass the potatoes. I don't know. SpaceX will be interesting tomorrow. Which we'll take a look at SpaceX stock here in a minute. Or once I'm out of this trade. Kind of curious. There's still a chance we have this ABC pattern in play. Be more of a complex ABC pattern now. There we go. We want to stop right below the wicks. There we go. There we goes. All right. Give it up. Give it up. Give it up. Let the market dictate when I was getting out. I likes it. Yeah, and trying to front run that 525 area. I likes it a lot. Let's look at SpaceX. I'll close at 109. It'll close at 108. It's up to 109 after hours. Yeah. Yeah, it's. We'll see if it's gonna break sub 100. Hey, what's up? What's up? You got to the ABC pattern? Yeah, I was front running. If I get a straight leg move, I want to be aggressive on taking profits. I was going back and looking at my trades this week. All the trades I was up $500 or more on, and I let it stop me out for a loss. Those sucked. Just changing that would have made a difference in my P&L yesterday. That one little tweak would have made all the difference, but so and think you will shoot higher? Maybe it might. I'm probably gonna stage some orders tonight when I go to bed for the micro trades. We'll see. Yep, you can always get back in. I don't want to get back in now. We came pretty close to a target. I'm good. I'm good with the little piece of the pie they gave me. I'm not complaining. I'm very happy. Could always be worse, much worse. So. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that like button. In about at 11 o'clock. If we have 300 likes by 11 o'clock, we're going to give away that Take Profit Trader account. If not, we'll roll it into tomorrow's live stream. Got a multi-day roll going on here. Not being able to hit the like counter, which Let me make sure I set this. Alarm. Pink. There we go. Hey, where's gold at now? Gold's up 50 points. $50. 525 is my target. That's a great question. So if you look right here off the low, we had a impulse move from the low here to up here. So this is the A to B leg of an ABC pattern. And then from here, we had the retracement down. And then it projected up here. Well, if you look at these two arrows right here, this arrow and the first arrow, they're going to be equal distance, essentially. My drawings might be off a little bit, but they'll be equal distance. So if you grab your Fibonacci extension tool, and again, I'll do it on TradingView for some of you guys that have TradingView. But if you grab your Fibonacci extension tool, let me put this on the 1 minute chart. I know a lot of you guys use TradingView. You go right over here to your drawing tools, go to Fibonacci, trend-based Fibonacci extension. And what's going on here? Why does that chart look so much different? All right. Measure from here. Here's the A to B leg. B to C leg being the corrective move. Then right up here. So I might be off on my drawing a little bit, but 525, 527, right up in there. Look, VWAP's way up here too at 567. Don't be surprised if we try to work our way back towards that VWAP. Nikkei right now down 1,300. Kospi is down 296. Yeah, it's ABC patterns all day long. All day long. Look, you can see one right here. If you want to be more conservative, you could use that right there. Boop. Little overachiever, hit the 127. Bam, right back down. Happens all the time. Let's see if this one hit. Go draw from there. Boop, 100% level right there. So it's not just like a one-off event. Now, sometimes they fail. All right, here's one that would have failed. A to B leg, B to C. And look, we came back down. Well, it ended up being a failed pattern. Patterns do fail. Nothing's 100%. But it does give you a very logical target to kind of aim for. If this is a higher time frame, I can kind of see this because I've looked at them so much that this would have been one on a higher time frame. Rinko right there, A to B, boom, right there. I can spot these things, look at the chart in just a few moments. Just glance at it, and a lot of times I can just see it. So. We already draw this one out. Here's one right here. Right there. Bam, 100% ABC pattern. Now, one of the rules I have behind it, when you go to measure for the retracement, like this, all right? One, I want it to retrace at least 38% retracement. Right here, I do not want it to go below 786. So you want to retrace somewhere between 38% and the 78.6 fib retracement. So now if it just barely wicks the 786, you know, I'll make exceptions, but I try to be pretty consistent with that rule. Yeah, Jesse likes that darn 23, but forget that 23. Oh, man. On TradingView, we did it with right here. Fibonacci. Go right here. Trend-based Fibonacci extension. You see, I already have it started because I use it all the time. And it works on the daily charts too. Like, let me put the SPY up real quick. Let's see. we have any on the, well, this market's been kind of stupid right there. Didn't really pick the best. That's not the best example. Actually, we got one right here. Let's see, did we actually hit the target? I don't know. And we did it right there. Bam. Target hit. Works on weeklies, all that. Higher time frame, longer it's going to take to play out. So. Hey, they're really good. Hey, they're really good for around all-time highs in the market where you have no resistance or anything because we've never been there. It's a great tool to find additional target locations. I'm trying to come back down here. And we still never hit the target. We'll see if this ends up being a failed pattern. Now, the cleaner one, the better patterns are when you go up, you come down, and you have a straight leg through and break it. Not when you come up here, pull back, consolidate, and then go. These do still work out, but I like just the straight leg. Looks like a little lightning bolt going up. I like those better. You sleep well on these profits? Nice. A good job with that one, Paul. Not on, well, it depends on what time frame you're looking at SpaceX. If we look at SpaceX, part of the problem is, at least on the daily, we don't have enough data. Oh no, I lie. We might have. Well, let's see. Was a fib retracement up here? No, look. See, we didn't retrace up 38%. We did not retrace. So I like to see a 38% retracement, then the next push down. We didn't get it. Now, if you take that rule out of the equation, let's see, did it actually get it? It may have. Nope. I'd be down here at 93. Hey, Raj, first impulse move of what? Yeah, I think the NQ is going to try to turn up, BK. Regression channel sideways on the NQ. I think it's going to be time to start looking for longs here shortly. First impulse leg. Let's see what you said first. Hey, the move up right here. Is Lucid down? I mean, their website? Maybe. Yeah, from the bottom. I zoomed up a little bit too big. Yeah, look, you see we came right down to 61.8 right there. Look, now we're trying to rip back up. Trying to get up there. Remember I said 25 earlier. We still have not hit that 25 target. Still think we're trying to get it. Yeah, right, the golden ratio. Yeah, good night, Paul. Oh, we're trying to come back down again. I still like the fact that regression channel. Look, we have a slight slope. Slight, very, very. Very, very slow, slight slope upward, just barely. So they're trying to get this thing turned around. System update. So we'll see. We shall see. So again, I'm trying to wait and see if this is going to firm up here a little bit. Loosens up. Trying to use code Mike. I appreciate that, crypto. I just posted it in Discord. All right, I'm going to close out that poll. I'm going to close out the poll. Let's see how many votes. 117 votes. Let's see. End poll. All right. Hey, Raj, 42% said 50K. All right, so maybe we'll do that. Hey, Raj, think I should just trade that account at night or both sessions? What do you think? DLL now optional in Lucid Pro and Flex. Wow. Well, hey, Raj, people that's only in here, I think it might be tainted. You got me curious about that Lucid. I want to go see it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Hey, Pro, you can toggle it. Oh, man. Check out Lucid now. Oh, man. Lucid Pro, you can toggle daily loss limit. No daily loss limit. Oh, man. Lucid Flex. Same thing. Oh, no. Flex, you can't toggle it. Oh, wait. There it goes. Oh, man. That's pretty cool. You get a payout? Oh, nice. Good job on that, Raj. Yeah, I have the Flex accounts too. Huh. Hold up. Flex accounts didn't have a daily loss limit before. Hey, Lucid Flex never had a daily loss limit. Now it does. Yeah, gold new highs. Oh, good thing I'm not in it no more. I got out. See, the regression channel is sloping up on NQ. Oh yeah, I just got the message. DLL now optional on Pro and Flex. Wow, that's pretty crazy. wonder if I should go long again. I'm looking at this. ES at the VWAP. NASDAQ, they're sloping up. We're not at the VWAP yet. ES up 9.25 points. NQ is down 103. Dow's up 108. Russell's up 1.4. Nikkei will be going to lunch here at 23 more minutes. Nikkei still down 1,200. Trying to get a little turn here. Kospi's down 311. Yes, Bennett laggard. I think I should have jumped on that. We're about to hit that 25 target. And look, we have another ABC target right here. 36. So we break 25, 36 the next target. I might look to jump on that. We can pull back towards these EMAs here. I might take a swing at it. Might take a crack. Can we get there? Come on. I'll say 36. Let's go. I plan on doing some London streams coming up. Just to get some revenge, maybe for like 2 weeks. See if I can whoop up on London nowadays. I don't know. Never had a lot of success in the past. I move my stop up. Every wick I get, as soon as I say a wick, I'm gonna trail my stop. Put this one in the money just in case. Missed one wick. I missed that wick right there. I didn't move my order up quick enough. All right, that's good though. Still, a win is a win. Win is a win. Let's get it. Let's get it. But yeah, I've definitely slowed my trade count down. I'm pretty happy about that. We hit that first ABC target at 25. Work on the second one here at 36 coming up. Wake up early for that one. Yeah, that's going to be rough. That's going to be a rough stream. But good morning, everybody. Good morning. Stupid market. How many trades per day? Oh, man, I did way too much yesterday. I don't know. A lot. Being on stream, I tend to trade a little bit more. That's why my P&L at night now has been higher, because the more I look at the charts, the more likely I'm going to find myself into a trade. So, on the right, this is a Ninja Rinko. On the left, 1 minute. Down here, that's a 4-hour candles with weekly volume profiles. 30-minute chart. And then over here on the left, 5-minute charts with the FEGs. Excuse me. I guess a lot of charts. Yeah, may reboot. I don't see mine buffering, Cheryl. Yeah. That London session is going to be rough. I probably won't stream Asia on those nights I do it for 2 weeks or whatever. However long I decide to do it, we'll see. That's going to be a rough one. Raj, it shouldn't impact my trading too much. Oh, look, we're ripping up pretty good here. Decent little rip. Short term, we're starting to get overbought here, but I don't want to fade it. Look at the regression channel. It's getting steeper and steeper to the upside. So I'm not ready yet. Hey, Mecha Noble, what's up? What's up? You're up. You're out 1,000. Man, good job. 900 tabs open. Yeah, that's going to be a problem. Too many tabs will slow down your machine for sure, Cheryl. So look, we smashed all the ABC targets we mapped out. Let's go ahead and delete that off the chart now. Oh, hazy video. Go click on the little cogwheel. There's a cogwheel. You can change the Ooh, I didn't smash the like button. I can show you where that where that's at. Dang it. All right, I just smashed the like button. I'll be 177. Hey, but then right here is the cogwheel. Click on that and you can change the quality. You should be able to go all the way up to 1080p. I started reducing the stream quality to try to reduce the buffer. So I was streaming at 2K, but I think it was buffering a little bit too much. YouTube kept giving me error warnings. Change your resolution. Change your resolution. So I don't know. We still need to smash that lucky like button. Boom, boom, boom. We had almost 2,000 people through the stream at this point. A good little smacking right back down. Look, we almost made it to the VWAP. ES, I believe, did. Yeah, ES got above the VWAP and then smashed right back down. So Lucid is charging us now $10 for the DLL selection. So what, you save $10 if you save $10 if you do not choose the DLL, or if you choose a DLL. I don't know. I have a love and hate relationship. I would have blown up my Apex accounts yesterday if it wasn't for the DLL. I still have them, so I was able to trade them today. All right, we're trying to rip back up, see if we can get that VWAP. Now let's go see, is the Nikkei participating with the move up? Nikkei is going to be at lunch here in 15 minutes. And Nikkei is trying to get a little lift. Cosby's hanging out down there. Hey, Crypto, what do you mean you have no choice? The Lucid Daily, I did a video on it. You have to be over the buffer, over 2100. Over 2100. Actually, the video I put out, nobody watches. One of my worst performing videos. Hey, so let me go find that video. See if you guys can give it some love out there. Smash the like button on it, get it some views. I would appreciate it. Let me go find it. There's the video right there. I'll pin it. Yeah, video's only got like 300 something views. That's horrible. Oh, it says 411 if I actually click on it. That is horrible. Compare that with the My Fun and Features video I just put out tonight. Already has 1,000. So that's pretty pathetic. Yeah, I'm gonna, after we get off stream tonight, I'm gonna look over Lucid's thing and look at, yeah, Lucid never had, the Flex never had DLL before. Even if you select no. I mean, they must think the accounts are too cheap. You got to remember, prop firms got to be able to make money at the same time. So if they make things too cheap, you can't stay in business. Where's Jesse? Oh, he's slacking. He said he didn't want to hang out with you guys. Said you guys are bad influences on him. He's a bit, whoa, 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 wait, MFR, I'm on here. Wait, I actually, you know, a daily loss limit, it's frustrating when you get dinged out. But I don't know, first time I ever dealt with an account that had a daily loss limit was My Fun and Futures starter plan. I hit the daily loss limit day number 1. Day number 2, I passed the account. I really like their starter plans they had. I really think I'm gonna like the new rapid EOD accounts. The 3 I picked up today, I'm pretty excited about those accounts. Nah, Jesse likes hanging out with you guys. He's just been busy. Busy. I think he said he's gonna try to get on the stream tonight. I think we shall see. Nice. Yeah, but hey, Trish, you know what's even worse? Imagine putting 2,000 in your own account. Actually, to trade the way, so if you trade one ES contract, you would have to put in to have $2,000 drawdown. You have to have $2,500. Then imagine losing all that $2,000. I say, I wouldn't lose it. You probably would. You probably would. So $100, a little over $100 for a 50K account, $2,000 drawdown isn't bad. Because you can get one payout and make up for, think about that. You get one payout from a prop firm, a 50K account, let's say $2,000. How many failed attempts does that give you? It's not bad. You probably get close to, depending on which prop firm, anywhere from 16 to 20. Depending on the price of the sale they have going on. So if you get a payout every 15 evaluations that you fail, you're ahead of the game. Yeah, Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is good, but their margins for day trading are horrible. I remember I contacted, I was like, hey, I can't find your website, your day trading margin. And this was years ago. They said it's to trade the ES, it was like $10,000. I was like, no, I mean day trading margin, not maintenance margin. That is our day trading margin. The maintenance margin is our day trading margin. The normal margin is initial margin. I was like, all right. I will say that Interactive Brokers gets awesome fills. They get really good fills. Back in the day, I remember trading options and I get better fills on there than anywhere else. Oh, you got 70? Oh man, good job on that. Hey Raj, what'd you get? What'd you trade? What'd you end up fading? NQ. Oh, off the band down here? Oh, wow. Holy smokes. Raj is getting it. Sold 5, holding 5. Wow. Nice. So you took it all the way to VWAP. Wow. Man, I was being a little scaredy pants. Wow. Hey, good deal on that. Still, it's a good trade. Still good. 5 micros on that move. That's a decent little move. I was down there at the low. Where was it? I got in right over here and got 5 points. I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line where I got in at, roughly. I'm gonna transfer over. Oh, dang it. I don't have all that set up yet. God, darn it. There we go. So look, I was in right there. Let's just see what I could have made all the way to VWAP. 103 points. Oh man, that would have been $2,000 on the contract I was in. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. That's all good though. I'm not upset. Now, I just realized something. You know, it's part of the problems when you have to reset up. But down here, I don't have this set for every chart too. All right. There we go. Yeah, there's always another trade. That is a fact. Still ripping on up back to the opening price and above. Short term is starting to get overbought. I'm not looking to fade that yet. We are working on bar number 9 count. So don't forget to smash that lucky like button if you guys haven't yet. See if y'all make it. Push it. Push it. With a little boop. Boop, boop, boop. How many times no meaningful pullback run occurs? Hey, Yoda, what was the answer? What did Fable give you? What was the answer to that? Oh, 1 to 3 times a year. Oh, there you go. I think it's a little bit more than that. Maybe that's just averaged out. The up down doesn't matter. Made 3K on gold future. I traded gold tonight. I took a little short in gold earlier with some micros. I had 2 micros on it. All right, there's a 9 count right here on the 1 minute. Oh, we forgot to look at. I forgot to look at the Hang Seng index. Slacker. Wow, Hang Seng's down 444 points. Huh. So Nikkei is trying to come back. Nikkei is going to lunch here in about 4 minutes. Hey Yoda, so I was messing with Claude. I was trying to figure out if the AI models were lying to me. So I was asking chat, I was asking Gemini, and then I asked Claude. Claude had a different answer. And I said, I said either chat or Gemini says whatever is the answer. And it says, well, maybe you should use that model then. I was hoping it would argue back with me why they're wrong and it's right. It said, well, maybe you should just use that one then. Oh, man. So. Yeah, I haven't used Fable. I've only used the free version of Plot a couple times. So. Basically programmed to try to make you happy to some degree. Hey, Raj. So I prompted one of the AI models and I said, give me the brutal, honest truth. Can't remember what I asked it. And boy, oh boy, it did. And I was like, if you don't have thick skin, don't ask it to do so. It was pretty brutal with me. I can't remember what I prompted it though. I was like, if you're having a bad day, that's not the prompt to give it. I'm trying to wait to see. All right, ES is still holding up a little bit better than NASDAQ. NASDAQ's peeled off here a little bit from that overbought area. Where if we look at the ES is still kind of hanging out up here. Still above VWAP for the time being. Hey, Yoda, you think Claude does a good job of writing the code? I've heard Claude's better than the other models, but I don't know. Amazing. Hey, so have you tried ChatGPT or Gemini for coding and compared it? Is it worlds different? Yeah, ChatGPT has gotten better for sure. For sure. Huh. You're in Mac. Wow, you use it a lot then. Hey, Yoda, so you pay what is it, $100 a month? Or is it more? Is it 200? Can't remember. $100 a month? Huh. All right, we're trying to pop back up here a little bit again. Trying to go back up. I don't have any clear pattern targets at the moment. I think this little retracement here is a little bit too deep. Yeah, see, look, we broke past the 786. So for me, I'm not looking for any ABC pattern on the way up. Even if it goes up there, that's fine, but a little bit too deep of a retracement for me. Yeah, I'd like to get some more. I'd like to get a few more trades in. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool, Yoda. Mini might come back. All right, there we go. Back to the opening price of tonight. It's funny, our markets are trying to bounce a lot more than the Asian markets. Price is in the same place. All right, short term is starting to get overbought, but look at the regression channels. They're getting steeper and steeper. So as this is getting steeper and steeper, I want to lay off taking the signal right here. I just want to wait. Hey, Solids, have a good night. See you in the morning. So S&P is up 13.5. NQ down 32. Dow up 92. And the Russell up 1.2. So Nikkei should be at lunch now. Let's see where it paused at. All right, Nikkei paused being down 1,033 points. HSI right now is down 451. Kospi's down 249. I was debating on taking a little fade, but think about looking for a little fade down, but I'm just not sure about that. Not sure yet. Hey, Raj, you like the intraday accounts better than the EOD? Keep showing your toes. Yeah, you can't let the account swing around so much. Look, I could have got my 5 points out of that, but went over 10. Let's see what the actual move was. From the high to the low, 15 points. Could have got it about here, got out right about there, got my 5 points. Huge difference on your personal account. Nice. Hey, Raj, it's funny. Speaking of personal accounts, I was talking to one of my friends the other day. It's like, yeah, I gotta go put in the payout request for my account. Like, oh, which prop firm? I was like, no, my live account. I said, payout request. I was like, I gotta go transfer the money. I got so used to the prop firms, I gotta put in a payout request. It was like I was gonna send a Ninja thing. Did I meet the requirements? Can I get my money? Oh man. And I didn't really mean I had to ask for it, but it's just I'm so used to the terminology now. Payout request. It was just kind of funny. Yeah, send him an email. Hey, so one of the things I almost did back in the day. So you just have to fill out like a little form to request your money on Ninja. And they'd have you put in the account number. It might have been online. It might have been online, but you had to fill it out. You know, you had to put in the account number and all that. And I so bad one time wanted to put in for the account number, them 101. But I was like, you know, I see it as a joke, but I don't want to take a chance somebody having a bad day and says, He's trying to commit fraud. I get charged with a financial crime for a joke. So I never did it, but I thought it'd be funny. This guy's trying to get money out of Sim 101. Well, look, it shows I have $1 million in there. I'm just trying to get out 10%. I'm going to leave $900,000 of Sim account money in there. Fake money. But I didn't want to risk it. Did not want to risk it. Man, I'm really thinking about taking this little pop shot to the sell side. Probably if we lose right there, I think we're going to flip that EMA real quick. I don't want to go for a huge move. I'm hoping we're going to dip down. You see the 50 kind of rolling over here. Let's see if I'm going to be right or if I'm going to be wrong. Hey, Wilson, have a good night. Should have waited a moment. I could have got in at a better price. For sure. Let's see if it'll at least give me 5 points. You can also see we have a high, lower high, lower high. Here's a low, lower low. Might be trying to form a higher low now. So I need this lower high to put in. Put in a lower high right here. So let's do it. Is my chart not scrolled over? I was like, I don't see this moving. Yeah, it is holding VWAP. That's what makes me a little bit nervous about it. I know it's a little bit more risky, but can we get it? Can we do it? Do it. Uh-oh. It's going to be forming another higher low. Not really a fan of that. Definitely not a fan of that. I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it. Take the loss. First loss of the night. So that way I save a few ticks. Trading against you. So I'm glad I did get out because you can see it's still going up. Started getting a little bit concerned. We started seeing the higher lows right here. I'm doing a lot better tonight than I have been. Tonight's not going too bad. I wonder if we're going to do something like this to get us all the way down here. All right, we have a little push down. Get a little retracement up, and then we set the ABC pattern down. I don't know. Yes, still looking pretty good here. Hey, when was the last time we heard anything about the deal? What time was the last news article about potential deal? Good thing I got out. I definitely would have been stopped out. No doubt about it. Hoping for 610. Oh, there you go. Nice little push. Look at all the delta there. Big delta push. I'm going to hope we get a pullback. Still a little risky. Regression channel still sloping upward. Orb 30. Killed it. All right. Again, took a small loss there. 2 small losses. PS is ripping a little bit. What if the NASDAQ's going to try to run all the way up there and hit that point of control? 830. Really wish we would have got the 403 so I could have put a micro on. Just didn't get down there. Cospy's trying to come up here. 25 points. Nice. Good job, Cheryl. 25 points. Let's get it. Wow, NASDAQ's only down 9 points. All right, I'm going to get one more shot. One more shot. Got me 3 times in a row. All right. Got me 3 times. Gave back some of that profit tonight. Yeah, that's a ripper there. A little bit of a ripper. I should wait till the regression channel started to not be so steep. Oh, they got the NASDAQ. Oh, they had NASDAQ green right there. NASDAQ green on the day. Let's see. You gonna get me again? Again? You see, we're still in the short term being overbought. You see the red background. Market's like, I don't care about that. Let's see a dip down that 200 EMA rate real quick. That would be nice. I think that'd get back what I lost in those 3 trades. We come down and hit my target. Or close to it, if not all of it. I think. The first 2 losses I took were pretty small. That won't quite get me there. It won't quite. I'll still be off a little bit. Oh, I think Jesse says he's coming on. Oh, let's see. Let's see. I'll look for this power button. Still watch my trade. Move it down a little bit. Hopefully I don't regret this. Hopefully I don't regret it. Where the heck is my on button? All right, let's see. Closing it. Closing it. All right, let's see.
Yep. I think they hear me already. I heard me on the stream. What's up, everybody? Let's see. So
Hey, can you guys hear Jesse? Hey, can you guys hear Jesse? Let's see if they can hear you. No, hey. Yeah, I was. No, I was muted. I am muted so I can talk to you. And they said they can't hear you. They said they did. For a second. I don't know. Did I switch screens? Was I on a different... I don't know. I didn't have you on the OBS. That's weird. I don't know. No idea. Oh, they can't hear you now. All right, now they should be able to hear you. Is he back or is he? You know, it's really weird. I got something jacked up in OBS.
yeah, I don't think they're hearing me.
Yeah, now they can.
Now
Hey, 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 your meter wasn't even there before.
That's weird.
Huh. That's weird. Weird.
All right. Are you guys hearing us both now?
Yeah, they can. I can see your meter moving.
All right, sweet. Okay. So where are we going? Where's the NQ going?
To the moon.
To the moon. I got one trade in tonight. I got $35 on each of these 3 accounts.
That's not bad.
Not bad. 1 micro.
It's better than a poke in the eye.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's been a few days. I feel like I should give everybody an update on these 3 live accounts with TPT. Where did we leave off?
You withdrew $1 million?
Yeah, I wish. Remember, I think I took 4 steps forward, 2 steps back, 1 step forward, 1 step back, and now I'm still in recovery mode. So these accounts are still red, but I'm chipping away at it. Chipping away.
Nice. So what do you think? You think we're ripping up tonight? Keep on going up or what? We have an untested point of control up here, 830.
Yeah, I see that.
But the Asia markets aren't really that strong.
Yeah, that's pretty far up there. We do have some on the 15-minute. We still have some FEGs that didn't completely get taken out during this morning or yet. Let's see, because we had that big down bar at the close.
Yeah.
And then after the reopen, it only took out like, I don't know, 60, 70% of that FEG. So maybe we're going back up there to kind of finish the job, perhaps.
Maybe. I was thinking maybe pop up on the 4-hour, get lower high, step a little ABC pattern down, maybe. I don't know though. I don't know how I feel about it.
Yeah, I've also got the so I have my V1 VWAP bands set to 1.51 and 2.51 as per some people.
I think it was Yoda.
Yeah. So interestingly enough, that 151 is up here at 642, and I've got some other stuff at 642 also. So that's interesting.
Do we pull back before we go up there, or we just go straight up there?
Don't know, but hey, the value area, is that value area high for this session so far is right there too. I mean, I think we just got the pullback. If you look on your Renkos, we just came out of a little pullback, right?
Yeah, we had a decent pullback. I was in right by the low. I got 5 points and got out, and then it just kept ripping.
Yeah.
Okay, got over 100 points on it. Coulda, woulda, shoulda.
So I wonder if the little, like, we're in a smaller pullback right now. I wonder if this one survives and we spurt on up to 642, 640, I'll call it.
Yeah, maybe. I can see that happening.
But this is a pretty small pullback. This one here would be the 23.6 that you love so much.
Oh, forget that thing. Forget that mess. I'm looking around. I got a little scalp. I didn't get much though. We got a small little. Oh crap! They're on the wrong screen. I gotta get used to where my screens are.
I was gonna say you're scalping the 30-minute, huh?
Yeah, I didn't realize it, but whatever. Like, I'm not used to where all my screens are yet. Like I'm like,
so
my eyes are all over the place.
Yeah, so this here is the little small pullback I was talking about. And we're back down to the bottom area of the regression channel on the 1 minute over there, it looks like.
Yep.
So I'm assuming your scalp you just took was a short.
Yes.
Through your moving averages. So I'd be looking now for another long setup heading up to 640. That's what I'm waiting on here.
Well, the regression channel is pretty steep up, so I was a little bit nervous about fading it. So I didn't get very much out of it.
No, that's the proper thing to do. If we're trading against the regression channel, best thing to do is look for tiny little targets in and out.
Yeah. So I started off, I was like, man, I really want another trade. Man, I really want another trade. Man. The next thing I know, lost.
Oh.
You gotta be careful what you wish for.
Especially when you're catching knives, you're bound to lose a finger or two.
Yeah, sometimes. It kind of sucks.
Hey, Coop, is that what that video or that email is you sent? I haven't had a chance to look at it yet.
Yeah, I didn't either. I got it saved. I'm gonna watch it.
Yeah, me too. I'm assuming that's what you're talking about, Coop.
Well, let's see if we're gonna pull back more. Oh, we do got view app down here a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, you know what's interesting too? That untested point of control that's up there. Where is it again? 830-ish, right?
Yeah, 830.
So we also have the regular trading hours VWAP that closed just above that too. And you know me, I like to target that regular trading hours VWAP if we're heading in that direction after hours.
Yeah.
So that's two things up there. Plus we got two FEGs on the way.
I was really hoping though. So tonight my game plan for the overnight trade was I was gonna put a trade on right here at the 403, 38% retracement, another one at the 50%, and then two down here at the 61.8. That was my game plan, but we never made it down to 403 to start that. So.
Oh yeah. Hey Coop. Yeah, I'm going to watch that video. I mean, I think, it's weird because I didn't look at it today. I've been busy, but lately here we've got the negative gamma exposure above us and positive below us, which is the opposite of what we've usually, normally have. And it's causing weird behaviors all over the place. So I'll watch that video. It's probably pretty interesting. I'm hearing buyers on Bookmap over here.
Oh.
On the volume pressure imbalance.
I didn't have them for a while, so my speaker timed out. I gotta get set up with a speaker on the TV or the monitors, but I just haven't done it yet. ES9 count. Let's go look at that.
Oh yeah, let's see it.
Oh yeah, right there. I was already looking at the NASDAQ. I was looking at the NASDAQ and like, man, I'm tempted to take a swing at the NASDAQ. I want to see if we're going to try to lift up first.
Yeah, I mean, I need to see some pretty aggressive buying to get interested in this. I do like this pullback though. And I've got several targets up here above us, so I would not be opposed to getting long here.
I just want to see a little bit more conviction that we're going to go up first.
Yeah.
I want to get back to session high. I'm looking at the clock. I'm like, I got to be careful. I don't want to unravel what I have. And then like, I don't really have the time to get it back. So I want to be careful.
I hate it when that happens, man.
Proceed with caution.
Hey, for those of you in the chat that have known me for a while, you may remember that Mike, Bob, John, my buddies would always give me a hard time because I could never stay up late enough to trade the London session with them, right? So funny story. So last night I had to go to the San Francisco International Airport to drop off some family who were doing some traveling. And their flight was at started boarding at 4 a.m. So we had to take them in the middle of the night, and it's a pretty far drive for me. So I didn't get home until 5:30. Wait, when do you start the stream, Mike?
8 o'clock in the morning. 8.
Okay, so I got home. Sorry, I was talking Pacific time. So I got home right. I pulled in the driveway, and boom, my phone went boom. Mike started his stream. So that's when I got home this morning. It was crazy. But anyways, rewind. Before we left for SFO, I wiggled my mouse to turn on my screens, and the market was ripping around. I was like, dude, London, I'm going to trade London. So I got a trade in. I've officially traded London. It was fun.
Nice. Did it win?
Yeah. It was like a $50 trade. So I was down $80.
Sounds so funny hearing you say $50 trade.
I know. It was one micro, so it would have been a $500 trade if it was an NQ. But I was down $83, and then after that, I was only down $32 or something. So. Oh, I hear a timer.
That's an alarm. We didn't get 300. We didn't get 250 likes. We didn't get 300, so I guess we're not. We're just gonna keep rolling this giveaway account away. 2,800 people. We could not get the likes.
Can you check my volume, Mike? I already checked mine. They're saying I'm a little low. It looks fine on my end, but dang. Oh, nope. Volume seems fine. Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
They said your volume is fine. Volume is fine.
Yeah, I think I'm fine. Mine had turned it down to 70 or 70 or whatever. So I think we're good now. Mr. Burner says you got to rage on here like other trading streamers. Yeah, Mike keeps it professional. We save that stuff for our private competition.
Yeah, Jesse here. It's different mic. Jesse can verify. Different mic. Cheryl says worse. What's worse? Place bad trade?
What's worse? My volume? I hope not. His volume is low. Still? Mike, did you turn me down?
I did.
Oh, were you just messing with me?
Well, no, I wasn't originally. Your volume. But then when you said your volume thing, I was in the process of moving it up. I was like, I'm going to play with it now.
Yeah. Funny guy.
Yeah. I remember in what grade was that? Maybe middle school. I got one of those watches that you can have remote control for the TV.
Hey, there it goes. They're trying to buy. Hold on. Hold that thought. Let me check Bookmap. Hold that thought. I don't want to miss an opportunity here. I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to give a long a shot, guys, and I'm going to target. Well, I really want to target way up here, but that's. Oh boy. I'm going to target the 151 band on VWAP. How about that? Actually, you know
what
what?
price is that?
I'm gonna round it. I'm gonna front run it. I'm gonna put it at 639.
630. Okay, that's not too far.
We'll give it a shot. We'll give it a shot. I mean, we've got a few things. We got the FVGs up here.
So that little swing high is what? 602? 621.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. We'll see.
X it's in the link in the description box down below. X handle is linked in the description box. Dang it. If we pull back here, I'm probably gonna smack it. So I want a little bit of a pullback. We bounce off the EMA. Screw it, I'm in.
Wait a minute. Hold on. What are you in long?
No, I'm short.
Okay. You short?
No, I'm long.
Well, I know you're short, but
Yeah.
oh,
There we go.
they're buying. They're buying. Let's go.
See if I can play keep away.
Let's go, buyers.
Where are you getting out at?
Oh, 639, but this is just
Oh.
one micro. I've got to go for bigger moves, you know.
Yeah, I'm not going that much. Getting crazy.
I mean, I'm up 17, 18 bucks on it.
Unless, I'm just gonna keep trailing it. Stops me out. Stops me out.
Yeah.
It's about to.
You would think they'd want to take out that previous swing high at least.
Yeah. I got $50.
Not bad. I got nothing
Hey,
yet.
MFF's new account, the EOD rapid account, does not one-time payment. One-time payment. So. Joker's gonna go up there. If it goes up there, I'm gonna be upset. That would have got me back to new session highs if it goes up. 29,900 tonight, maybe. We'll see. How late do I trade? As late as I'm up. Like, I trade all the way until I get to bed. 1, 2 in the morning. I'll be off the stream probably, I don't know, 11:30-ish. Depending on the market. The market gets... Yeah, sleep's overrated. Who needs sleep? Yeah, plenty of time to sleep when you're dead. Hey, BK, I really do trade. Like, I'll be trading at 1 o'clock in the morning sometimes.
I gotta go turn on the fan. I'll be right back. It's hot. Hot.
Hey, it does kind of look like the wall in Chipotle. Hey, I took a little piece of the Chipotle wall out. Say, hey, I love your burritos so much. Let me have a piece of your wall and we can do a little sponsorship. So, hey, when you go to Chipotle, make sure to use code Mike. You might get a deal or they might say, what are you talking about? I don't know. It'll be a conversation topic either way.
Okay, I'm back. Good thing you got out of that. Jeez.
Well, I'm a little bit worried now. It might end up forming a lower high.
Well, yeah.
Just a
but
little ABC pattern down.
Yeah, they just took out that little swing low, though. That could be a good sign. Nope, there it goes. It's trying to take off. Darn.
I need a little bounce so I can short it.
Yeah. The bounce is where you took your profit. You could have hit reverse instead.
No, reverse never works for me. Let's just name the reverse button the donation.
Yeah.
Look, ABC targets at 571. If we get, I'm gonna front run this too. I'm gonna try to get out 578.
Yeah, I guess I should have taken that $18.
I don't know. I mean, it's not that big of a move against you, but I'm gonna trail it down with that wick. I'm gonna keep trailing the wicks until it gets me.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Let's see. What's this?
There's another
blew
wick.
up.
Dang it, got me. I think if I'm not at session highs, I'm pretty darn close to it.
Oh, I have
Ditto in the middle. Yeah, I agree with you on that.
1.81. Hey guys, is it 1.81 or 1.51 on the VWAP bands?
I don't know. Yoda's the one that gave you that stat.
Because one of my charts has 8.1, but that could have been a typo.
I feel like it was 5-1, but I don't know.
Yoda, you around?
The almighty Yoda.
I mean, I guess 0.3 is not that much of a difference, but
I want to see if we get that 571. Do
oh,
we hit it or does this be a failed pattern? Oh, hey, Yoda's there.
Yoda.
So what's the question?
Yeah, so the VWAP bands, is it 151 or 181 for the first band? Oh, no, I shouldn't say band. For the first deviation. The band's the other. So right now I've got mine set to 1.81 through 2.51. Is that correct? Because I had two charts that were set differently, so I'm confused. Non-trend days 251, so that would be like the second band probably. Oh, one standard deviation being 251. Wow.
What am I drinking? Oh man, the good stuff. I'm all jacked up right now on some water. I don't want to tilt it over. Look, guys, all over my keyboard. It'll go. Got blues up. Dog it. I should have stayed in that.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna hit that 571. I think we're gonna get it.
And I should have gotten out. Jeez. Where's VWAP?
It's sparkling.
66-ish.
Yeah.
Gotcha, Yoda. All right, thank you.
Darn it.
Oh, you did. You back tested the 3 standard deviation VWAP and it liked the 251. Okay, for reversals.
And I've always said I like between the second and third band, so
yeah, that makes sense then.
kind of falls right in there. That's just what my eyes picked up on.
Yeah, so I guess if I'm gonna set mine up like that, then I would want I'll keep the first band just 1, and the second band is gonna be at 251, and that would be that sweet spot apparently. So actually, you know what? I'm just gonna keep. Let's see. I'm gonna change it from 3 to 2, and this is gonna be 1 and 251. Let's see what this looks like.
Yeah, trend times it does not work. AKA yesterday. Come on down, complete this pattern. I need one more trade. I need one more trade. Okay. Bam.
Okay, I think I like how I've got it set up.
Hey, Team Massive, what's up? On a 30-minute chart, let's look at that. Maybe. See what I think you're looking at, BK, right here? Could be. Let's see what the retracement was on the way back. Falls within the parameters. Hey, BK, and that would give us the hey, that would give us that target too. The 403. Hopefully you're right. Hopefully you're right. I'm gonna go ahead and start staging some micros. I gotta fix the I gotta figure out how big I want my ATMs. If I get filled on that while I'm sleeping, that's the best ones. I get filled in the trade and I'm out before I even woke up. I've never seen any of it. So I don't see the fill. I don't see the exit. I just wake up and see the money.
You just see the money.
Yeah, that's the beautiful
Show
ones.
me the money.
So then I wake up and say, why I got less money in my account? Them MFers. How dare they? How dare they? I gotta figure out the ATMs. How much I want to target back on the way back up. I'd like to make it logical targets.
That's right, because you got to leave. You got to put it on whatever ATM you want, so that when the limit order gets hit.
Well, what I do is I put a stupid stop loss, so it's like non-existent. Now I want the stop to get hit, but I need the target out there. I can't set the target ahead of time because if I had the target out there, it runs up there, hits the target, I'll be short.
Yeah.
So, well, you know what? I think I'll play. Well, that's a 1 minute chart. Like, I think I'll target back to the structure breakdown point, but so like we have the point of control up there at 8 something. No, I think I'll just do a simple 200. I'm gonna do 200 points. And then the next one, how many points is that going to be? Maybe I'll stagger them out. All right, next.
Oh, I never finished my damn story. So, end of the story for last night / this morning is I got one London trade in, so that was a goal accomplished. But I only got like literally 2 hours of sleep. I can't believe it. Can't believe it, man. I was dying. So anyhow, got all the plumbing, housework, airport stuff all behind us. So it's good to be back.
I'll put
we at 570.
I'll put 100,000 tick stop loss.
Yeah, I would say that's pretty non-existent.
I'll go for a 200 point target. So 800 ticks.
Can't believe it. This I'm down $42 on this trade, so I basically just gave back. Well, now I just gave back more than my winning trade. Ugh. Man, trading micros is tough for me, anyways.
Hey, so I'm gonna front run that 403. Try getting around 406.
Okay.
So my first micro trade, I'm gonna target right here. I have the ATM turned on. So I have ATM turned on. I have it targeting, kind of front running it. Look at my ATM, it's stupid. I just don't want to get stopped out. I'll fix it when I wake up. I'll go for 200 points if it hits. The next one is gonna be a little bit different. Next one I'm gonna target. I'm gonna look to get in at probably right around. I'm gonna front run that 196, maybe 203. On that one, I'll go for 200 points. So let's do that. All right, so edit, custom. I can use the same ATM.
Man, there's just friggin' go. All right, so I guess this was just a bounce for a bigger move down, probably. My lord.
Yeah, I could have stayed in it. Stupid market.
Yeah, stupid market. I should have taken my 18 bucks. Man.
Mm. Don't know how I want to do that. Let's see if we got any news first. I want to think this through real quick. What news we have in the morning?
Yeah, that's a good. We got jobless claims.
I was looking at it before I'm up.
Oh,
I can manage it once I'm up. I'm just trying to think.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, I don't see any other red items.
Of course, the Iran stuff. I mean, you never know what's gonna. Hey, did I see this right last night? Like at midnight, Trump was like making announcements on financial juice. I was like, what? It was the middle of the night.
Maybe.
I couldn't believe it.
Shoot, I can't remember now. Did we reverse around 559? I want us to go down to 403. Down to this 38% retracement. I got one micro order stage there. I'm going to stage the other one up. I'm going to front run. I feel like I need to change this though.
Look at these guys, man.
Look at it.
Yeah, and I used a pretty big stop too down below this swing low that it's targeting now.
What's oh, the one right? What price point?
Oh, jeez, it's going right for it. 529.
Yeah, that one right there.
I had to lean way over there to see that, Mike. I think I need curved monitors.
I'm telling you, it's nice. I just don't know where all my chart, like where everything's at now, because it's all in different places.
Yeah.
Made 400 going to sleep. Nice. Return starting to get oversold here. What's the ES doing? ES still up 13. Crude oil's only up 23 points. $23. Gold's only up 19. Gold's came back quite a bit. Yeah, I shorted gold tonight, Jesse.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I did micros. Yeah, it's come down a little bit from there. Let's see CL. CL came right down to a VWAP. DK opens up here in about 10 minutes.
Hey, Ghost just got a $700 short. Nice.
Oh, good job on that. Yeah, I killed my short too early. Oh, we got a 9 count. Ooh, I might try to fade this.
Tom, I don't know. Mike, I mean, Mike's got 57-inch, and they got a strong curve, 1000R.
Yeah, 1000R curve. It's pretty nice.
Mike, I don't know. I think 34-inch, if it's an ultra wide, might be too not tall enough. Might be actually too small, too limiting. I don't know. I don't have a lot of experience with them.
Go up, up, up.
Oh, you're long? Oh, you're just going for a little scalpy scalp.
Yeah. Playing off the oversold in the 9 count. We have 9 count in the 1 minute. Playing off the oversold. There we go. Bam, new session highs.
Nice. Congrats.
I didn't want to try to look for too big of a move, but hey, something I've been looking at when I go back and look at my trades, I've noticed like yesterday when I'm up $500 and I just let it come back on me like an idiot. Anyway, I just started trailing the wicks. Just the wick. If the candle produces a wick, if you're short, just put your stop below the wicks and trail the wick of the candle.
Yeah.
Works pretty good. Same thing on the way up.
Mm-hmm.
Put it below the wick of the bottom.
You could do an auto trail after a certain dollar amount too, and just use the wick value.
Yeah, but I don't know what the wick. No, but every candle don't have a wick.
Oh, you're talking about just the little tiny reversals
Yeah.
on the 6-3s? Oh,
Yeah,
I
the
got
very tiny. No, not even reversal. Even if the candle has a wick. Like, I don't
Mhm.
know if you can see it, but right there, see that wick?
Mm-hmm.
So I moved my stop there. Then the next wick, I move it there. I would have got dinged out right down here.
Gotcha.
It's an easier way to manage the trade so it doesn't come back on you. You get a majority of the move. It would have, yesterday would not have been that bad of a day. It would have been a good day. 240 inches. Oh my goodness.
Man, if this thing gives me a little bounce, I'm gonna try to stay break even on the night and take a loser here. Oh, I don't even think I'm gonna get a bounce. Jeez.
Well, you might get,
Unbelievable.
you got a little bounce, just not huge. How much are you down on this trade?
Overall, what the $100, dude? That's way too big of a stop.
How much were you up for the night?
I wasn't thinking. 33.94, $34. So I'm down 50. Red 50. Oh, actually, it's bouncing a little bit. So I don't know. Nope. So I'm hearing sellers now. Get up there, my lord.
Ugh. I can get rid of that ABC pattern now. We completed that.
Oh, did it complete?
Yeah, it went way past it. Way past it. Hey, what's up, 44? What's up? You guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button.
Dang, I wish I would have taken that $18 up there.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda.
Yeah, what a
I had a lot
drop.
of those yesterday. Send me a message on X. I don't see any message. Little sneeze.
Bless you.
Up 3K. Oh man, good job on that, Mongo.
Nice.
Hey, Mongo sent me some of his stats. Man, he's killing it.
Good.
Killing it.
Man, Mentor Q has got to fix this thing where their website just signs you out constantly every day.
Does it about 3 times a day to me.
Yeah, it's like, come on, guys. We don't need it to be timing out.
I think they're worried about, I don't know, people trying to share it or something.
What time is it? Do we have updated levels? I think we do.
Maybe. I don't know. I can see the gamma live. So if I look right here, you look at NQ.
Yeah.
Here's the gamma strikes. 30,000 today is what we went over and came back down. The next strike price is 29,500. We already went down there. We rejected once off of it. Below that, we don't have a lot until way down here at 28,000. I don't see us getting down there tomorrow. That'd be pretty sick. Famous last words.
Yeah,
Famous
just when you say that, it does it.
It'll be a gap. US starts unloading on our end. We're done. Game over. So
come on, what are you guys doing? Let's go. What am I missing in the bigger picture here? This is a pretty big dropout.
Well, how big of a move were you going for on that trade?
Just going for
638.
639. Yeah. We were almost there. Jeez.
So what made you use such a huge stop?
Just the price action on the bigger bars.
Hey, so maybe you need to find a way, if it's not a good reward to risk ratio, you just don't take it.
Oh, it's more than 1-to-1.
Really?
Yeah.
What price are you in at? I might be looking at the wrong spot on my chart. That's why I'm wondering. Maybe I'm thinking about. I might be thinking about my last, the one trade I got in. Wait, you were long then, weren't you?
No, I can't remember now. I got in when we broke that previous swing high, so it's at 5. If you look on, we use total different bar sizes. So if you look at 577, and then look to the left.
Oh, you're in around 577.
We broke through that previous swing high.
All right.
And so the R to R looked okay to me. It's just barely over a 1-to-1, but
No. I thought you were up here a little bit higher. I thought you were up or over like 610 for your entry. That's why I was asking. I think maybe I jumped in way after you did. I was thinking about my trade, and I thought you were just in the same area. I don't know. I'm hoping for 403 at some point. Not necessarily right now while Jesse's in the trade, but after Jesse gets out, I'm hoping we dump down the 403.
Wait a minute. Oh no, I got out of that trade.
Oh.
This is a different one. What
Oh.
the heck? I'm lost. I'm looking. I hit Control E so I could see my stuff. So I got in, got out, and then we got this pullback, and I got in again. That's what.
Oh, okay. I got you. I was thinking I was long up there, and then remember I got out early. I was like, ah.
Yeah, and I got out right at the tippy top.
I was like, So I thought you were still in that trade. That's why I was like, man, you got. It seems like a huge stop for. That's why I wasn't sure about. I didn't know if you had a different target that you decided to go on or something.
No, it's still the same. We never got to 639. I got scared and bailed out. Good thing I did. At least I got that win.
VWAP right there. What if we're gonna come back up and hit VWAP again?
Yeah, hopefully.
Jesse's like, yeah.
Jeez.
I'm trying to get a little bounce here. You have an opening price at 569. And VWAP is kind of in the same location. I got VWAP around 566. Maybe we'll get a little bounce up there real quick.
Please.
Yeah, ES is still up 12 points.
Please, I'll never do it again.
Tonight. You might make it up there.
The last couple days have been brutal for me. I don't know about you guys, Mike, chat.
Yesterday was brutal for me.
Man, it's just been tough. It's not adhering to my regression channels, my levels, my targets, nothing. It's just doing weird stuff. Jeez.
Yesterday was mainly me.
Yeah, it's probably just I'm not seeing it right. I mean, I'm not zoomed in far enough or out or something. I don't know.
I mean, you didn't get much sleep. You've been dealing with a lot of crap too.
Yeah, that too. But I am definitely not on my game, that's for sure.
Hey, would the VWAP touch put you in the green?
No, I need an overshoot. I'm at 77.
Still might be able to get it.
Because I thought we were just going to get the 33 pullback on that up move, and it went way further. It was my fault. I ran the VWAP. I should have waited to see if we were going to bounce off of it. So my fault.
That's hard to do sometimes too. It's like, I know I should wait. I know I should wait. Bam, I'm in the trade. What?
Yeah.
How'd I get in that?
Yeah.
You clicked the button. No, but I didn't mean to. Give me it back.
That little bounce was short-lived.
I might still get up there. I'm hoping.
Yeah, it's probably going to hit my stop and then go. Yep, here it goes. Yep, here it goes. Unbelievable. Well, I'll be starting tomorrow in the hole again. Jeez. Every day it's like one step forward, two steps back with these micros and these tiny little live accounts.
That's how it was reviving those accounts this time. I kept telling you, it's like, you don't understand how much is wearing me out. It's crazy.
Man, painful.
But if you can survive it, it will make you better.
Yeah. Good job, Mongo.
73 points. Oh, good job.
I need to have you remote into my computer and trade my accounts. I'm just kidding.
As soon as he does, he goes on his losing streak. I don't know what happened. I was winning every trade before this. Hey, if we can close with this 1 minute candle being a hammer, we swept that little minor low right there. We did. Can we push up? Maybe. I'm trying to find hope for you.
I know it's hopium though, because look, we broke that 9 count. So
newest version, Tom, is 8.1.8.1. That's the version I'm running. It's running way better.
Man, these guys are just killing me. Oh, here it goes.
That's what I was saying yesterday. These sons of a
yeah, order filled. They just all right. I'm down $168. Unbelievable.
Yeah, the hardest thing is sticking to the rules. Hey, Mongo. So I used to go to work every day. Say I got smoked on a trade, and my friend his toolbox was on the other side of mine. He started trading probably a week after I did. So at least I had somebody to talk to about trading. I'd get smoked. Come in the next day. Hey, look, I got a plan. Hey, if I follow these rules, we're good. I said, I'm not going to get busted out. I said, look, if we would have did it, we would not have got caught in any of the crap. Next day he goes, hey, how'd that work out? I said, 3-pointer in the garbage, baby. Coupled up those rules about by 10 o'clock and in the garbage. He just laughed. Because he gets in the same type of trades I do. He likes to counter trend the market like I do. Like, just, I don't know. We learned the same bad habits together. So, was what it was. But yeah, I think it's 8.1, 8.1.8.1, I think. Is that right? Let's see. I'll double check. Yeah, 8.1.8.1. Yeah. I feel like I'm not saying it right. Oh, hey, now it's going to bounce. Oh.
Yeah, I entered one. I got in again. We'll see. Try to get a little bit of this back. I'm up 15. Well, I was up $15. Should have taken it.
It sounds so funny hearing you say $15.
Yeah. It's so frustrating, guys. Going from doing about averaging $1,800 a day on all my accounts to down to losing $100 a day. Oh, it's tough.
Hey, Cheryl, I do. I see him all the time. We hang out, all that fun stuff. So, wait, I think I'm going to jump off. I'm going to go to bed. I'm happy where I'm at. I don't want no bad juju coming after me. Oh, hold on. Let's go look at Dollar Steve's report card. Hold up. Man, he's had some good stats.
Yeah.
Recently. I want to go see him. Like his profit factor, his max win, max loss. They've all been really good.
Look at this bounce. Unbelievable. I should have just moved my stop.
Should have moved my stop. So when you move your stop, I shouldn't have moved my stop.
I know.
Well, let's go look at his stats.
Oh, I guess this bounce is short-lived too. Fake bounce. Yeah, I know, Mongo.
I got the one micro in. All right, let's go look. $857 tonight. Profit factor 1.7. 68% win-loss ratio. Hey, but look, average win 170. Not as good today. Average win 178. Average losing trade 221. That's probably the worst I've seen his stats. And it's still not horrible, but
all right, I closed it, guys. I closed it for $30, so I'm chipping away at the loss there.
Hey, good job on still being profitable, dollars.
Yeah, good job.
Good deal. All right, I think I'm gonna go get some rest. I know you guys think I'd never sleep. And then we'll be on the stream tomorrow, 8 a.m. So hopefully you guys will come and join me. If we get the light counter up tomorrow, we're gonna give away that Take Profit Trader account. So hopefully tomorrow morning we'll get up there and get her done. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you guys in the morning. Take care.